ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 11. ಈ ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. So 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 2, 5, 3, 1, 6. It is a square matrix. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇದರ A dash ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. So what is A dash? A dash is obtained by interchanging the rows into columns ಅಥವಾ columns into rows. So 1, 2, 3 row is changed into columns 1, 2, 3. And row minus 1, 2, 5 changed into column minus 1, 2, 5. And 3, 1, 6. This is A dash. See, observe that both A and A dash are different. ಈಗ ನಾವು transpose of a matrix ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ the elements are, ಈಗ elements of A is 1, 2, 3 in first row, but the element of A dash is 1 minus 1, 3 in the first row. Now let us take another example. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯ 3x3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ if we take a matrix like this, root 3, 2, 3, 2, minus 1.5, minus 1, and third row is 3, minus 1, 1. So I will take the transpose of this matrix A dash or A transpose. A transpose. So if you take this transpose, andre interchanging the rows into columns, root 3, 2, 3 can be written as into columns root 3, 2, 3, and 2 minus 1.5 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 1. So now observe these two matrices A and A dash. So what do you conclude here? ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎರಡು matrices ಅನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, so what we are getting now, the rows is here root 3, 2, 3, and here also root 3, 2, 3. The second row is same as here, and third row is also same. So why we are getting like this? But in the previous case here, the elements in the first row are different when you interchange the rows into columns, but not here. So in this example, so we are getting A dash is equal to A itself. So now this type of matrix A, this we are saying that it is a symmetric matrix ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಈ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಯಾಕೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಈ ಎ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ವಿಭಿನ್ನತೆ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಗಮನ ಹರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಈ ಎ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಟಾಪ್ left corner to the right bottom corner, these are called principal diagonal elements ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಈ principal diagonal elements, the elements above the principal diagonal and below the principal diagonal. So what do you say? What do you conclude here? Observe that this 2 is same as this, 3 is same as this, in below the principal diagonal minus 1 and minus 1. So from this we conclude the special characteristics of the symmetric matrix is the elements above the principal diagonal are same as the elements below the principal diagonal. So ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌವ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲೋ ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ what is this? This is matrix A11 and this is A12 and this matrix is A13 and this matrix is A21 and this is A22 and this matrix is A23. So this is A31 and this matrix is A32. Sorry, this element is A33. So the elements we have denoted as A11, A12, A13 and A21 and this element is A22, A23 and this element is A31, A32 and A33. So now what are the principal diagonal elements characteristics? See, they have the same suffixes. See, A11, A12, this is A11, this is A22 and A33. And what are these elements? You observe that A12 is same as the element A12 is same as A21 here. The element A13 is same as element A31 and element A32 is same as element A23 and this element A11 is equal to A11. So what we conclude from this? That means in the symmetric matrix Aij is equal to Aj I for all I and j. So this is the definition of symmetric matrix. So finally we can conclude that definition of the symmetric matrix. A square matrix is very important that only square matrix we can define for a symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ವರ್ಡ್, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಲೂಸ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು. Just if you write a matrix, you will lose the mark. So a square matrix, A is equal to Aij is said to be symmetric, if A dash is equal to A. So mathematically that is Aij is equal to Aji for all I and j. So in a square matrix, that is we define a symmetric matrix. So in a symmetric matrix, very important, in a symmetric matrix, the elements above the principal diagonal are same as elements below the principal diagonal. So this is a symmetric matrix. ಈಗ 3x3 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ 2x2 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಎ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ನೋಡಿ 2 3 and this is 1 1. Observe that this is the elements of the principal diagonal The above the principal diagonal is 1, below the principal diagonal is 1. If you take A dash, you will get, see, 2, 1, 1, 3. What we are getting? A dash is equal to A itself. So from this we conclude that the symmetric matrix ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ A dash is equal to A ಆಗಬೇಕು. So take another problem. If you take as a problem, show that the matrix A equals 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3 is a symmetric matrix. Is a symmetric matrix. Here take A dash, the transpose of this, that is 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3. Observe that when you take the transpose, the here also the elements above the principal diagonal are same as the element below the principal diagonal. Absolutely, this A dash is equal to A dash is equal to A, therefore A is symmetric. A is symmetric matrix. You have to conclude like this. ಈಗ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Consider this example. Consider the matrix A as 0 E F minus E 0 G minus F minus G 0. So now I will take the negative of this matrix minus A. Minus A is obtained by, this is scalar multiplication of the matrix by minus 1. This is minus 1 into A. So all the elements of A are multiplied by minus 1. So minus 1 into 0, 0 minus E minus F, minus E will become plus E, 0 minus G, and F will be here, this is minus F, so that is plus F, and minus G will become plus G, 0. So this is the negative of the matrix A. So now I will take the transpose of the matrix A transpose, A dash. So when you write the transpose of the matrix 0, converting the rows into columns, 0 EF minus E 0 G minus F minus G 0. So when you observe that this minus A dash, minus A and minus A dash both are equal. So here we conclude that the transpose of A dash, the transpose of A equals minus A, and this matrix minus A and A dash are same. So we conclude this type of matrix A is a skew symmetric matrix. Illi we have to go through the characteristics of this matrix. So we can observe that the principal diagonal elements are 0 here, and observe that the elements above the principal diagonal and the below the principal diagonal, they are the same elements but they are changing in sign. See, E is here minus E, and F is here minus F or minus G. They are changing in its sign. So one we can conclude from this example So all the principal diagonal elements are 0 for a skew-symmetric matrix. So we conclude for a skew-symmetric matrix, for a skew-symmetric matrix, first thing, all the principal diagonal elements are 0. All the principal diagonal elements are 0. So here the suffix of this principal diagonal elements are A11 and this is A22 and A33. So we conclude that A11 equals A22 equals A33. They're all equal to 0. Then the second observation from this matrix, the elements above the principal diagonal are same as the elements below the principal diagonal, but they are changing in its sign. So the elements above the principal diagonal are same as the elements below the principal diagonal. Elements below the principal diagonal, but changes in its sign. But changes in its sign. So from this observation, we can define a skew-symmetric matrix as definition a square matrix. Very important that a skew-symmetric matrix must be a square matrix. A square matrix A is equal to Aij is said to be skew-symmetric if Aj is equal to minus Aij for all possible values of I and j. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. So A dash is equal to minus A. Actually here Aij is equal to minus Aj for all possible values. Of course here we can conclude this element is A12 and this element is minus A21. So A12 is equal to minus A21. Here this is A13 and that is equal to this is minus F. This is equal to minus A31. So we conclude Aji is equal to minus Aij for all possible values of I and j. That is also we can say that if A dash is equal to minus A, the transpose of A is the negative of the matrix itself. A dash is equal to minus A. So for a skew-symmetric matrix, one thing you can observe that all the principal diagonal elements are 0. So how to prove this? Suppose here a principal diagonal elements are characterized by principal diagonal elements for a square matrix. Diagonal elements are characterized by Aij if I is equal to j. That means the suffixes are same. So therefore we can say that aii is equal to ajj. So when you put I is equal to j for this, put I is equal to j for a principal diagonal elements. So the definition, what it says, if Aji is equal to minus Aij, and now this definition will become Aii is equal to minus Aii because I is equal to j. So this implies Aii suffix is same, taking to the left hand side, plus Aii equals 0, and this implies 2aii equals 0. This implies aii is equal to 0. So that concludes, this is for all I. That concludes the all the diagonal elements of all the diagonal elements of skew-symmetric matrix are 0. Now consider some of the properties of symmetric and skew-symmetric matrix. Here, all the properties were consolidated from the textbook, which were given as a problem in the exercise and miscellaneous examples in the NCERT textbook. So consider the first property here. For any square matrix A with real number entries, A plus A dash is symmetric, A minus A dash is skew symmetric. So consider the first one, A plus A dash is symmetric. We know that a matrix A is symmetric, a square matrix A is symmetric if A dash is equal to A. So now to show that A plus A dash is symmetric, we have to show that A plus A dash whole dash, that is transpose of A plus A dash, must be equal to A plus A dash. So now ಹೀಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆದರೆ A dash is equal to A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If A is symmetric, A dash is equal to A. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ A plus A dash symmetric ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು? A plus A dash whole dash is equal to A plus A dash. So now consider similarly, ಈಗ A is skew symmetric ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so A is skew symmetric. So we know that if A dash is equal to minus A. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಎರಡನೇ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಶೋನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್, ಹೀಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಿಸ್. ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ whole dash is equal to, ನಮಗೆ ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. We have the property of the transpose in the earlier videos. ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. The property says A plus B transpose of A plus B or A dash is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. That is the A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. So, and also we have seen the transpose of A is equal to A. So we are using this property frequently in proving all these properties. So now A plus A dash whole dash, taking this property, we shall write A plus A dash whole dash can be written as A dash plus A dash whole dash. So again, by taking this property from this property, so we can write A dash plus A dash whole dash can be written as A. So we know that the addition of the matrices is commutative. That means A plus B is equal to B plus A. Therefore, A dash plus A can be written as A plus A dash. So we have shown that A plus A dash, A plus A dash whole dash is equal to A plus A dash. So that implies A plus A dash is symmetric. Now consider the second property. So here B, if we take A plus A dash is equal to A plus A dash, A plus A dash is symmetric, we have shown. ಈಗ ನಾವು A minus A dash is skew symmetric ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. That means we have to show that A minus A dash whole dash is equal to minus of A minus A dash. So ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. So now consider A minus A dash whole dash. So that is equal to, again by this property, important one, A plus B whole dash ಅಥವಾ transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Using that, A minus A dash whole dash can be written as A dash minus A dash whole dash. So we can also have the property A minus B whole dash is also equal to A dash minus B dash. Using this, we can write this one. So therefore, we can write A dash minus A dash whole dash is equal to A by using this property. So therefore, this can be written as, taking minus outside, you can write A dash minus A as A minus A dash. So we have the concept that A minus A dash whole dash is equal to minus A minus A dash. That shows that A minus A dash is skew symmetric. We are using the definition of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix to prove these properties. Now, the second one, if we multiply a symmetric matrix or skew symmetric matrix by scalar, the result will be symmetric or skew symmetric matrix respectively. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So if we take one example, so there is nothing to prove here. So if we take one example, suppose if we take a symmetric matrix, so 1, 2, 3, and this is 5, 6, and this is 2, 3. Okay, this is 3, and let's take this is 1, and this is 1. So now here observe that this is absolutely a symmetric matrix. The elements above the principal diagonal are same as the elements below the principal diagonal. So when you take 2 into A, so the characteristic of symmetric property does not change. So this is 2, 4, 6, and 4, 10, and this is 2 multiplying all the elements by 2, and 6, and 2, this is 2, and this will become 12. See, observe this. This is again a symmetric matrix. So when you multiply symmetric or skew symmetric matrix by a scalar, any scalar Ka, so the result will be a symmetric matrix. That is, if A is a symmetric matrix, A is symmetric, A is symmetric, then for any scalar K, Ka is also symmetric matrix. Similarly, for the skew symmetric matrix, if A is a skew symmetric matrix, then for any scalar K, K is also a symmetric matrix. Now, any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So this is one of the important property. So we have many examples on this and many problems. We can take it later. So now let's take any square matrix. Let A be any square matrix. Let A be any square matrix. So we can write this square matrix as A equals half into A plus A dash plus half into A minus A dash. We can write any square matrix as half into A plus A dash plus half into A minus A dash. Check it. So whether it is equal to A. So taking the RHS, I will be showing that is equal to A. Suppose if we take this half A plus A dash plus half into A minus A dash, actually taking common factor as half for this. So half of half is a common factor, and writing the remaining elements A plus A dash plus A minus A dash, A minus A dash. Clearly A dash gets cancels. That is equal to half into A plus A will become 2A. So 2 get cancelled. That is equal to A. So we can write A can be written as half of A plus A dash plus half of A minus A dash. Now we have to check what type of the first part. This is the first part, and this is the second part. So I am going to show that the first part is the symmetric part of the square matrix A, and the second part is the skew symmetric part of the square matrix A. So how it will become? We have the property earlier. See, now ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. If A is any square matrix, if A is any square matrix, then we have seen in the first property A plus A dash is symmetric and A minus A dash is skew symmetric. So we are using this property. So here A plus A dash is symmetric and A minus A dash is skew symmetric. So now we have seen that for any matrix, we have seen that for any matrix, Ka whole dash is equal to K into A dash. That means when you multiply any matrix, square matrix, symmetric matrix, see, observe that here, if A is a symmetric, then for any scalar K, Ka is also symmetric. So if A plus A dash is symmetric and half this 1 by 2 is a scalar and 1 by 2 into symmetric matrix, that is also symmetric. So therefore we can write half of A plus A dash is symmetric and half of A minus A dash is skew symmetric. So therefore, the first part is the symmetric part and second part is the skew symmetric part. So therefore, any square matrix is expressed as the sum of the symmetric matrix and plus skew symmetric matrix. So we have to remember, for any square matrix, half of A plus A dash is a symmetric part. This is the symmetric part, and this will be the skew symmetric part. Then if next property, if A and B are symmetric matrices of same order, then AB plus BA is symmetric and AB minus BA is skew symmetric. Okay, so now A and B are, it is given that given A and B are symmetric. A and B are symmetric. So by the definition, A and B are symmetric ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ A dash is equal to A and B dash is equal to B, because both A and B are symmetric by the definition. Now what we have to show that AB plus BA is symmetric. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕೀಗ, AB plus BA ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ AB plus BA whole dash is equal to AB plus BA ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, AB minus BA is skew symmetric ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ A matrix is skew symmetric if A dash is equal to minus A. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು AB minus BA skew symmetric ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ AB minus BA whole dash is equal to minus, ನೋಡಿ A dash is equal to minus A ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, AB minus BA whole dash is equal to minus AB minus BA. So keeping these points in our mind, now let's take the first point A. AB plus BA is symmetric. So consider now, illi nodi AB plus BA whole dash. So consider AB plus BA whole dash is equal to, again by the properties of transpose, A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. So therefore we can write AB whole dash plus BA whole dash. BA whole dash. Again by the properties of transpose, AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. That we have seen in the earlier videos. We have shown that AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. So therefore using this, AB whole dash can be written as reverse ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, AB ಅನ್ನೋದು B ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, B dash into A dash plus BA whole dash will become A dash into B dash, and that is equal to, so A and B are symmetric ಅಂತ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ B dash is equal to B. So therefore B dash is B and A is symmetric ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ A dash is equal to A. Therefore A dash is equal to A plus A dash is taken as A, B dash is taken as B, because both A and B are symmetric. So the addition of the matrices is commutative. Therefore BA plus AB can be written as AB plus BA. So we have shown AB plus BA whole dash is equal to AB plus BA. So that we are proving this one. So what we concluded earlier. So therefore we conclude AB plus BA is symmetric. So now considering the second case B, so AB minus BA is Q symmetric ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು we have to consider AB minus BA whole dash. Consider. So we have to show that minus of AB minus BA. So again by this A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash B dash. So we have to write this one as AB whole dash minus BA whole dash. Okay. Writing this again by this property AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. So therefore AB whole dash can be written as B dash into A dash minus A dash into B dash. BA whole dash anta ide. So therefore this can be written as B dash is taken as B because B is symmetric. A dash is taken as A because A is symmetric. So minus A dash is A, B dash is B. So now taking the negative sign outside because we have to show that AB minus BA is Q symmetric. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಿಹ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ minus ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ this minus will become positive. So therefore AB and this plus will become negative minus BA. So AB minus BA whole dash is equal to minus AB minus BA. So now this one, if A is symmetric, it is additional property which is not given in the textbook, but you must know this property also. If A is symmetric, then A power n is also symmetric. Before taking A power, showing that A power n is symmetric, just I am taking that A square is also symmetric. If A is symmetric, A square is also symmetric. So very simple proof this one. So A is symmetric andre ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ A dash is equal to A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ if you take A square ಅನ್ನ ಈಗ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ತಗೋಣ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ A square. How do you write this? A square can be written as A into A whole square. So A into A square can be written as A into A, that is taken as whole dash. So again by the property AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. So this you can write A dash into A dash because both are A. So A dash into A dash is, because A is symmetric, A dash is A dash is A. So that is equal to A into A will become A square. So A square whole dash is equal to A square if A is symmetric. Similarly, we can take that if A is symmetric here, if A is symmetric, then A dash is equal to A. Now consider A power n whole dash. So this can be written as A power n is A into A into A into A etc. A. This is to be multiplied for n times whole dash. So again by the extension of this property AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash, or you can extend this property ABC whole dash as C dash into B dash into A dash. Extending this property we can write this is A dash into A dash into A dash into etc. into A dash totally n times. So this is n times. So that can be written as A dash is A because A is symmetric into A etc. into A. So totally n times Therefore, you can write a power n. So this is A is symmetric, then a power n is also symmetric. So another property which were given in the miscellaneous examples in the textbook. If A and B are symmetric matrices of same order, then AB is symmetric if and only if AB is equal to BA. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ the condition we have to see here if and only if. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾವು we have to show that means we need to show that AB is equal to BA. And conversely, suppose if AB is equal to BA, we need to show that AB is symmetric. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. So now consider two cases here. Suppose AB is symmetric. Let AB is symmetric. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ A and B are symmetric matrices of same order ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ so we can conclude here, since A and B are symmetric, so A dash is equal to A and B dash is equal to B. So now let's show this concept. First ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. This concept AB is symmetric, then we have to show that AB is equal to BA. Let AB is symmetric. So ಈಗ A is symmetric ಆದ್ರೆ A dash is equal to A ಆದ್ರೆ AB is symmetric ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? AB whole dash is equal to AB. It is given now. ಈಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು? AB equals BA ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. So again by the property of transpose, AB whole dash can be written as B dash into A dash is equal to AB. So now AB is both A and B are symmetric matrices. Therefore B dash can be written as B, A dash can be written as A is equal to AB. So we can rewrite this as AB is equal to BA. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. If A and B are symmetric matrices and AB is also symmetric matrix ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. And moreover satisfying the commutative property AB is equal to BA. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ ಅಂತ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈಗ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕೀಗ ಎ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎ. ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಈಗ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಎ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ when ಎ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎ, ಟು ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್, ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕೀಗ. ಎ ಬಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. So AB whole dash can be written as, according to the property of transpose, B dash into A dash. So AB whole dash is B dash into A dash anta agatte andre. So what is here? Both A and B are symmetric. A dash is equal to A, B dash equal to B. So B dash is B and A dash is A. So AB dash is equal to BA. But ನಾವೇನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ AB is equal to BA. So therefore BA is equal to AB because we have taken that AB is equal to BA. So therefore we conclude AB whole dash is equal to AB. So we have proved the property that if A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order, then AB is symmetric if and only if AB is equal to BA. So then the next one property, the matrix B dash AB is symmetric or skew symmetric according as A is symmetric or skew symmetric. Andre the meaning of this sentence are if ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ B dash AB is symmetric ಆಗುತ್ತೆ if A is symmetric ಆದರೆ. Then B dash AB is skew symmetric if A is skew symmetric. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಕೇಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ if A is symmetric, so what is the definition? Then A dash equal to A. Now to show that B dash AB is symmetric, consider B dash AB whole dash. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ B dash AB can be written as, so now we shall take, let's take this as AB as product P ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So now let's take this B dash AB as P whole dash where AB is equal to P. Now this is equal to, by the property of transpose AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. So therefore P dash into B dash whole dash. So again P dash, so what is P here? AB is P here. Now I am writing this AB, P is AB whole dash. So B dash whole dash will become B. We know that the property of this transpose, the A dash whole dash is equal to A. So therefore B dash whole dash is equal to B. Again by the property of transpose, AB whole dash can be written as B dash into A dash into B. So again here this A dash is symmetric because A is symmetric ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ A dash is equal to A ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ we can write B dash into A dash can be written as A into B because A dash is equal to A. So we proved that B dash AB whole dash is equal to B dash AB. So that shows that B dash AB is symmetric. So by taking A as symmetric matrix. Now similarly, if A is skew symmetric matrix, then consider B dash AB whole dash. The same concept we are using here. B dash into P whole dash, where P is equal to AB. Now again by the property of the transpose, this you can write P dash into B dash whole dash. So P can be written as AB whole dash into B dash whole dash is B. So again this can be written as B dash into A dash into B. So here B dash into A dash is written as minus A into B because A dash is equal to minus A because A is skew symmetric. So this you can write minus of B dash into A into B. So we have shown B dash AB whole dash is equal to minus B dash into A into B. So this implies what? B dash AB is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. So ಹೀಗೆ ನಾವು we can revise that all properties of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices ಅನ್ನ prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So important thing here, any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. And if a square matrix, any square matrix with real number entries, A plus A dash is symmetric, A minus A dash is skew symmetric. So now let's consider certain problems regarding this property. Any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. That means ಈಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಗ if you consider the matrix here, ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೀಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so expressing this 1 2 5 minus 1 3 1 2 3 minus 1 ಹೀಗಿದೆ. So this matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. That means this is, you can write half into A can be written as half into A plus A dash plus half into B plus B dash. A minus A dash. A minus A dash. Half of A plus A dash plus half of A minus A dash. So A minus A dash is skew symmetric part. A plus A dash is symmetric part. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈಗ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A plus A dash. So if we take the transpose of this A plus A dash, ಇಲ್ಲಿ taking the A plus A dash 1 2 5 minus 1 3 1 2 3 minus 1 plus taking the transpose of this here 1 2 5 minus 1 3 1 2 3 minus 1. So now adding the corresponding elements here, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 5 plus 2 is 7, minus 1 plus 2 is 1, 3 plus 3 is 6, 1 plus 3 is 4, and 2 plus 5 is 7, and 3 plus 1 is 4, and minus 1 plus into minus 1, that is minus 2. Minus 2. So observe that here, see the elements above the principal diagonal are same as the elements below the principal diagonal. Absolutely, A plus A dash is symmetric part of the matrix. So we can write this half of A plus A dash. Half of A plus A dash is multiplying all the elements of A plus A dash by 1 by 2. So we can write multiplying all the elements by 1 by 2, that is dividing by 2. this is 1, 1 by 2, 7 by 2, 1 by 2, and 6 by 2 is 3, 2, 7 by 2, and 2 minus 2 by 2 is 1, minus 1. So this is half of a plus a dash. Now considering a minus a dash, a minus a dash. So here a minus a dash is a is again taking here to instead of plus, let's take minus here itself. Now let us write the result directly. So here is a plus a dash. So I'm just changing here minus. So subtracting the corresponding elements of a and a dash. So this 1 minus 1 will become 0. 2 minus 1. So here is minus of minus 1. 2 here minus. We are taking 2 minus of minus 1 plus 1. That is 3. And 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, second row corresponding, subtracting the corresponding elements of second row. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. And 3 minus 3, 0. 1 minus 3, see this is 1, minus 3 is minus 2. Then taking the third row and subtracting the corresponding elements of the third row. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. And 3 minus 1 is 2. And minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1, that will become 0. See, observe that this here, the all the principal diagonal elements are 0. The elements above the principal diagonal are same as the elements below the principal diagonal, but they are changing in sign. So therefore, taking half of a minus a dash. So a minus a dash is Q-symmetric matrix, and half of a minus a dash is Q-symmetric part. So half of a minus a dash is can be written as dividing all the elements by 2, that is multiplying all the elements by 1 by 2. 0 by 2 is 0, 3 by 2, and this is 3 by 2, and minus 3 by 2, 0, minus 2 by 2 will be minus 1, and minus 3 by 2, 2 by 2 is 1, 0. So now this is the symmetric part of the matrix, symmetric part of the matrix, and matrix A, and this is the skew symmetric part of the matrix, skew symmetric part of the matrix. So we can write a square matrix A can be written as A is written as can be written as the half of A plus A dash is 1, 1 by 2, 7 by 2, 1 by 2, 3, 2, and 7 by 2, 2 minus 1. So this is the symmetric part, and plus skew symmetric part, writing here 0, 3 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 0, minus 1, minus 3 by 2, 1, 0. So this is one sample problem relating to the property, that is a square matrix can be, any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew-symmetric matrix. So let's take some more problems related to this in the and one more important concept, the concept of the invertibility of a matrix and finding the inverse of a matrix by using elementary transformation in the next video. Thank you. Now consider